Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video I'm going to unbox my new headphones. So Muve Acoustic Impulse. So these headphones are really great. So this is my first unboxing video. I hope you are going to like it. So I'm Shafi, you are watching Shafi Techniques channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, so now here you can see the name Muve Acoustics. Sounds that inspires, and now here you can see Impulse on ear headphones. So now we have nothing. So this side also we have nothing. So let's see the back side. So here you can see we have what are included in this box. So headphones, audio cable, and user manual and warranty. So moving to the down here we have some specifications. So now here you can see the specifications. So if you want to pause the video and you can read all those specifications. And so now here we have how to use this, like we have microphone. So all the instructions are given here. And moving, so here we have nothing, again the brand name and brand logo. So again, so now here you can see we have some more details. So now here you can say cost 2500, but the real cost is only 600 because there is an Amazon offer, so I bought it for 600. And now here you can see again some more details of this Muve Acoustic headphones. So guys, so now here I already opened this box and saw the audio quality, everything. So again I packed it to do this unbox video. So now here I'm opening. So guys, so now here you can see I took it. So now let's open this box. So now here you can see again we have like one box one. So let's take even this one out. So right, so yes. So now here you can see this is how it comes. So after opening the box, so it will be like that. So guys, so now here you can see one paper. So let me take this paper. So right, so now here you can see, so this is the one bill of an Amazon. So I bought this via Amazon. So here you can see the bill, and also you can see the cost 599 rupees. So it's only 600 rupees. So now here you can see headphones. So let's take out these headphones. So let's see how it's the build quality and everything. So here I'm taking it. So guys, so here we have one sponge. So now here you can see the headphones. So now here you can see we have Muve Acoustic name and the brand logo. So guys, so now moving to the really the design was super, and the design and the quality is really great. So again we have on the left and on the right side we have the design, means we have the brand logo. And so let's see still what we have. So now here you can see L. So L means left. So like that we have right or left. So guys, so now here you can see this sponge is really cool. So if you keep this headphone, then you will not get pain. But if you keep more than 20 minutes, then you will definitely get pain. So it's too tight if you keep more than 20 minutes. So really it's a good quality. And here we have one box. So let's see what is this box. So guys, so now here you can see the box. So here we have one jack symbol. So we have one jack photo on this box. So let's open this box. So here I'm opening the box. So now here you can see. So now here we have one wire for listening songs, means we have one wire, and down again we have something. So yes, so this is a user manual, small mini book. So here you will have one book, so that if you are new to use headphones, then by seeing this manual you will definitely understand about these headphones. So we have some instructions here, and so now here you can see we also have QR code. So if you want, you can scan it to prove is it original or is it fake. So let's see back. So now here you can see we also have 1 year limited warranty. So we also have warranty. This is a good thing. So if you want a warranty, then you have to email them or you can directly call them. So now here you can see customer services. So let's keep this one inside. So guys, so now here you can see this wire. So let me take out this wire. So guys, already I opened this box and saw everything. So now again I packed and I'm opening. So now here we have So let's take this out. So guys, so now here you can see we have 3.5 mm jack. So this is a 3.5 mm jack, so you can directly plug into your smartphone. So no need to worry about this 3.5 mm jack. So here you can see one you have to give to headphones and another one you have to plug into your smartphone. So now again here you can see we have Muve Acoustics brand name and the brand logo. I think you can't see the name because the camera is not focusing at all. So yeah, let me zoom in or let me zoom out. Oh, it's not focusing at all. So yes. So now here you can see slightly you can see the name and the brand logo. So Muve Acoustic, the brand logo and the brand name. So back side we have one button and also we have one dot. So that dot is a mic. So here you can see the mic and here you can see one dot. So that dot is a mic and here one button is there, right? So that button is used to play or the pause the song. So now here we have some model number. So like that some small information. So now, so those both are 3.5 mm jacks. So guys, so now let's see. So here you can see one hole. So here you have to plug in this 3.5 mm jack in this one. So now here you can see I'm plugging in. So here after plugging in, so now down. Okay, let me show you clearly. So here like this. So down here you can see now this one. So guys, so now here I took one mobile for an example. So here this is a Samsung J2. So here you can see here like that we have to plug in. So okay, so like that you can plug in and you can listen songs and also you can enjoy. So like that. So guys, I'll show you now the review of this headphones like audio, bass, so everything. I'll say the truth and opinion review. So guys, so move to the review of this headphones. So first, let me say you about this build quality and the design. So move to the build quality and the design. These headphones are looking like premium. So for the price of below 1000 rupees, these headphones are looking great with this design and with the look. And now move to the sound quality, the bass, so everything. So for sound quality, no to say because sound quality is really great. We can also hear the sound outside. So really sound quality is great. But what I not like in this one is we are having one like wire. So that wire I not like. But this is one negative point. And move to the remaining all we have nice. So now move to the overall review. So these headphones are really great headphones. So I bought this for 600 rupees on Amazon. So if you want to buy these headphones, then link will be in the description below. Do go and check it out. So that's it guys in this video. I hope you like that. If you like this video, then hit this like button here. And also share this video to everyone. If you have any doubt, then comment me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Jai Hind.